Hello, my name's Tim McCune, and I'm president of Linear Integrated Systems. Linear Systems is a semiconductor company founded in Silicon Valley over 30 years ago.
We focus on high-performance, small-signal discrete semiconductors used in precision amplification and switching circuits. This specialized area of semiconductor design and manufacturing is very important for a lot of products ranging from audio amplifiers to sensors. Most people are familiar with digital semiconductors used for applications such as the brains of cell phones and computers. Our specialty is making something else, analog semiconductors. The fundamental difference between analog and digital is information. With digital, it's ones and zeros. With analog, the signal is always related to real-world parameters, such as the characteristics of sound waves received by a microphone. Our analog semiconductors let the world hear the faintest sound with crystal clear precision. When people think of semiconductors, they also often think of the processor chips that can have billions of transistors inside. If someone were to open up one of our semiconductors and look at it through a microscope, you'd see only one or two transistors. These are called discrete semiconductors. Making this type of part enables us to create very high-performance semiconductors by focusing on specific design and production techniques. We don't have to make the design compromises used in chips containing billions of transistors. Because of this design focus and our unique capabilities, we can do things that other semiconductor companies cannot. Our company is a recognized leader in high-performance semiconductors. Industry legends such as Bob Dobkin praise our parts as providing key capabilities to electronics systems designers. Our components are used wherever companies need precision, low-noise signal chains. These users range from studio microphone manufacturers to companies making accelerometers and other sensors. Linear Systems is a leader in discrete analog semiconductors because of the key role its founder, John Hall, played in the development of the semiconductor industry. Hall began his Silicon Valley work in 1962 and for the next 50 years produced a long line of industry firsts and technological advances. Hall designed and produced the first monolithic dual transistors, important parts that are still the best design option for many high-performance sensors. He improved the performance of these and all of the other parts Linear Systems makes. His former protégés continue to do advanced design work at the company today. Improving the basic semiconductor design is half the equation to building better parts. The other half is to improve the fabrication processes used to make them. Hall developed important techniques, and Linear System uses them to get the best performance out of the parts we build. So here's the line of products we design and manufacture in Silicon Valley today. Our JFETs are industry leaders with ones that have less than a billionth of a volt of measured noise. These parts are used in products ranging from microphones to naval underwater listening devices. Bipolar transistors are another product line. Our bipolars are used in high-end test and measurement systems and audio amplifiers. Our low leakage and current regulating diodes are perfect counterparts to our high-performance transistors and are used in many circuit designs with them. These diodes can have as little as a trillionth of an amp of leakage. Our lateral DMOS parts can switch a signal in less than a billionth of a second and are industry leaders for performance and reliability. Other parts include small signal MOSFETs and BiFETs, which are used primarily in piezo-based accelerometers. We also build voltage-controlled resistors and photofets. Our semiconductors set the standard worldwide for quality. Here's some examples of users and what they have to say about our parts. For example, the large-scale synoptic telescope, which when completed will be the world's largest camera, uses 2,000 of our JFETs in the front-end image amplification. Linear Systems is also well known in the audio world. Every time you watch a Lord of the Rings movie, the symphony sounds you hear are flowing through our transistors. Artists ranging from Stevie Wonder to Pat Metheny to Def Leppard record using microphones powered by our transistors. At our main offices in Fremont, California, and at other facilities nearby, we conduct our fabrication and testing activities. Our fabrication procedures require continuous measurements and monitoring to adjust processes that produce our wafers. Testing of the completed wafers is a critical step to ensure these semiconductors meet or exceed our exacting electrical specifications. Once the wafers are completed and tested, they're cut into tens of thousands of individual chips and then put into packages so our customers can mount them on circuit boards. Our work requires unique final testing of these packaged parts. For example, we have the only production facility in the world that can test transistors to ensure they have less than a billionth of a volt of noise. Customers can buy Linear Systems semiconductors online at DigiKey, through our worldwide distribution network, or directly from our factory in Silicon Valley.
We're looking forward to hearing from you. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.